All right, those were just my flour tortillas in my loaf tins. Next, I'm coming in with my fresh spinach, and we're gonna add a layer of spinach right on top of our tortillas. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious breakfast. Now you can do this as a meal prep, or you can just make it as you want it. You can just do one at a time, but this is gonna be so delicious and it's gonna be healthy. And if you want this to be even healthier, you could do the carb-less tortillas, but I like the flour ones. Now I have some red bell peppers that I just sliced up, and we are going to add about 2 of our bell peppers right on top of our spinach. 1 bell pepper should get you 8 slices at least. So we're just placing those right on top of our spinach. It's okay if they overlap, but they should just fit perfectly in our loaf tins. And I did say this was a breakfast, so of course we have to have eggs, and I'm gonna add 2 eggs into each of our loaf tins. Try to get them perfectly into our bell peppers the best you can, but it's okay if you miss a little bit. But this is gonna be so good. Oh my, perfect. And of course we have to season up our eggs. So I'm gonna start off with some black pepper. Now you can season this however you want, but I love black pepper with my breakfast. So we're just gonna quickly add our black pepper to each one. Now you know I love my garlic, and garlic on eggs might be weird for you, but it is all we do in our house. We have to have garlic on our eggs. Now you can use fresh garlic if you prefer, but I like the garlic powder just because it is so much easier to spread on your entire dish. And of course we need garlic powder's best friend, onion powder, and we're gonna do a little bit of onion powder. And just like with the garlic powder, you could do some fresh onions on this as well, but I just love a lot of seasoning on my egg and on all my veggies. It just makes this breakfast complete. All right, last seasoning we're gonna use is some smoked paprika, and this is just gonna add some nice smokiness and complement those bell peppers just so perfectly. But like I mentioned before, you can use whatever seasonings you want. You could add some salt to this, you could add some Italian seasoning, but I think this is gonna be perfect. And I am gonna add some freeze-dried chives. I just love chives, and this is no exception. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a nice little sprinkle. Look at that beauty. You could do fresh chives if you want, but I just had these in my cabinet, so I figured I might as well use them. And we are not done with our veggies. We have some banana peppers, and we're gonna just grab a couple of those peppers, make sure to drain the juice, and kind of just spread them on top of our dish. Now you can customize each of these to people's liking. That is the beauty of the loaf tins, is that you can just make one for yourself, or you can make a couple and everyone can customize. If they don't like banana peppers, they can skip the banana peppers. If they don't like bell peppers, they can skip those. And if they don't like spinach, they can skip that, but I love all these things. And you know I was gonna add some cheese to this. I'm using some mozzarella cheese, but just like with everything else, use your favorite cheese. And I have my cheese grater here, and we're just gonna go ahead and grate our cheese freshly right on top of each of our loaves right on here. And this is where you can get really personalized with this. Add whatever cheese you want, add as much cheese as you want, but I think mozzarella just goes really well with all of these other flavors. And I kind of feel like mozzarella is a healthier cheese than like cheddar or Velveeta or something like that, right?
Maybe.
All right, I think that's enough cheese, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. All right, these smell so good. They cooked up so fast. I did end up putting it in there at 375 instead of 350. The best thing about these tortillas is you can just pop out your whole breakfast, put it on your plate, add your sriracha, do a nice little drizzle of that. I like the heat, as you guys know. And then this is ready to enjoy. Let's check out that egg right here. Oh, perfectly cooked. Now you could take this out a little bit sooner if you don't like it as hard as I like it, but this is gonna be so good. Get a little bit of everything in one bite.
Is it good?